Welcome back to our Generative AI series. Today, we are diving into one of the most important techniques in modern AI development, LoRA or low-rank adaptation. If you've ever wanted to customize a massive AI model without needing a supercomputer, this is the technology that makes it possible. First, let's understand the concept of fine-tuning. Imagine you have a base model, like GPT or Stable Diffusion, which has been trained on a massive amount of general data. Fine-tuning is the process of training this model further on a specific dataset to specialize it. For example, you might teach it a specific art style or medical terminology. In standard fine-tuning, you update every single parameter in the model's brain. However, full fine-tuning presents huge challenges. Large models have billions of parameters. Updating all of them requires an enormous amount of video RAM, or VRAM, to store the model states. It is slow, computationally expensive, and storage-heavy. Every time you create a new fine-tuned model, you generate a file that is gigabytes in size. This makes it impractical for most individuals and developers. This is where LoRA comes in. LoRA stands for low-rank adaptation. It is a brilliant solution that says, we don't need to retrain the entire brain. Instead, we can just learn a few small, new connections that guide the model in the right direction. Here is how it works under the hood. We take the massive pre-trained weights of the original model and freeze them. They do not change. Then, LoRA introduces tiny, trainable adapter matrices alongside the frozen weights. During training, we only update these tiny adapters. The base model stays exactly the same, which saves a massive amount of memory. Think of the base model like a giant encyclopedia in a library. Full fine-tuning would be like rewriting every page of the encyclopedia just to add some new information. LoRA, on the other hand, is like placing a transparent sheet with sticky notes over the pages. You are not changing the original book, but when you read it through the overlay, you see the new information combined with the old knowledge. The efficiency gains are staggering. If a full model has 175 billion parameters, a LoRA adapter might only have 4 million. This means the file size drops from hundreds of gigabytes to just a few megabytes. Training becomes roughly 3 times faster, and you can store thousands of LoRA adapters in the space of one full model. This efficiency creates a modular, plug-and-play ecosystem. You can keep one heavy base model on your drive and then simply swap in different LoRA files depending on your task. Want an anime style? Plug in the anime LoRA. Need help coding? Switch to the coding LoRA. It makes AI highly versatile and portable. Recently, we've seen the rise of QLoRA, or quantized LoRA. This technique compresses the frozen base model down to 4-bit precision, making it incredibly small in memory, while keeping the training adapters precise. This breakthrough allows you to fine-tune massive 65 billion parameter models on a single consumer-grade graphics card. To summarize, LoRA revolutionizes AI training by freezing the heavy base model and training lightweight adapters. It offers performance comparable to full fine-tuning, but with a fraction of the cost and storage. This technology is truly democratizing access to custom AI, allowing anyone with a decent GPU to build their own specialized models.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.